Lesson 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. Here, weather is a day-to-day change in atmosphere. Now, based on this weather conditions, seasons are classified into cold weather season or winter season, that hot weather season or summer season, southwest monsoon season or rainy season, and season of retreating monsoons or autumn season. Now, this winter season is from December to February, and here the temperature is very low. And in summer it is from March to May. Here the temperature is very high and hot and dry winds blow. And these hot and dry winds are called Lu. Okay? And in the southwest monsoon seasons or rainy season, it is from June to September, and here when the winds blow from Arabian Sea from west and Bay of Bengal from east and strike the mountains. We have seen that there are Vindhya ranges and all those northeastern mountains present in Indian map. So when these winds blow and strike mountains, rainfall occurs. So that is southwest monsoon season. Now, season for retreating monsoon is from October to November, and when in this the winds move from south to north, and here in south season of retreating monsoons, these winds again move back from mainland to Bay of Bengal. So that is called season of retreating monsoons. Now, climate. Climate is the average weather condition. For example, Indian climate is monsoon type of climate. Agriculture is more dependent, and these climate are affected by location, altitude, distance from sea and relief. Now, Jaisalmer and Bikaner these are in desert in Rajasthan, are very hot. Not even a single very less rainfall occurs. And Dras and Kargil are very cold. These are in Jammu and Kashmir. And we receive highest rainfall in Mawsynram. This is in Meghalaya. And now we have natural vegetation also. That is the grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own without interference of help from human beings. These are called natural vegetation. And now trees are national animal and peacock is our national bird. We find Asiatic lions in Gir forest, and one-horned rhinoceros and elephants are found in Assam forest, and elephants are found in Karnataka and Kerala. Now, Project Tiger, we have a few things. The one is Project Tiger to conserve tigers, and Project Elephant to conserve elephants. Now, migratory birds which come to India during winter season are pin-tailed duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey and little stint, and the smallest migratory bird which travels around 8,000 kilometers is little stint from Arctic Circle. It travels from Arctic Circle to reach India, and it weighs only 15 grams. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.